Massive and crew, Wagwan, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I want to shed light on aspects of Jamaican culture that weren't influenced by our African descendants, because many people believe that Jamaican culture is only based on the culture of African slaves. That is not correct. That is not true. And I'm going to make it my point of duty to highlight some of our culture that are not from Africa, because our culture is diverse. People from different countries came to Jamaica and brought their legacies with them. These legacies are embedded within Jamaican culture. So let's not try to change history and make it seem like our Jamaican culture is only African oriented. I am a proud Jamaican and I love my culture and I will not stand for that. You understand? Yeah, man. So today's video is all about the Indians who came to Jamaica and one of the legacies that they brought, which still continues in Jamaica to this day. So these Indians originated from specific areas in India and arrived in Jamaica on the 10th of May 1845. So the group consists of 200 men, 23 women and 33 children, totaling 261 East Indians on the first trip. So they came on a ship called the SS Blundell. The ship docked in Old Harbour. They arrive as indentured servants. So what happened is, after slavery fully abolished in Jamaica on August 1st, 1838, the colonizers sought workers, which is the Indians. And the Indians, seeking to escape poverty and famine in their homeland, signed contracts, came to Jamaica and worked for a specific time. After the contracts ended, some returned home while others went to Trinidad and a few remained in Jamaica. So this is why the Indian community in Trinidad, it is much larger than in Jamaica. By the way, the first group of Indians arrived in Trinidad on May 30th, 1845. I will cover more about why the Indians went to Trinidad in a separate video. That is a bangarang in itself, trust and believe me. And this is like grade 5 history, by the way. Also, there's a reason why I use the phrase fully abolish when slavery fully abolished, right? There's a reason why I said fully abolish. I will talk about that in another video. Now let's talk about a famous legacy that the Indians brought to Jamaica, which is partners draw. But in Jamaica, we say partner. Yep, the Indians brought it over to Jamaica. The Jamaican partner draw is a popular saving partnership among a group of people. It is a common practice, not only in Jamaica, but in the Caribbean as well. And here is how it works, if you don't know. So one individual is entrusted with managing the money, and it's called the banker. Other members, known as the partners, contribute a stipulated amount. So the banker will, say the partner is how much money. So for example, say it is a $10,000 a week partner. So each member will, give $10,000 every week, which we call the hand. So the partner can either be daily, weekly, or monthly. So every day, week, or month, one member received the total amount called the draw, contributed by all the partners. The order in which members receive their draw is selected by the banker. Or sometime a member will, talk to the banker and say, me, a little difficulty, me, I like if you give me first draw or you give me second draw or so forth. And some people love last draw. You understand? Yeah, man. So that's basically it. That's what the Indians, brought to Jamaica, which is still active in Jamaica up to this day. Daily partner is very popular in Jamaica as well. Yeah, man, it is more popular more than the weekly and the monthly partner. Right now, I know people who throw $20,000 every day. Yeah, man. All 20 people in the partner. Yeah. Daily partner run things. Also, children. Notice children, whole heap of picnic are into partner as well. A lot of picnic. You hear them when they come from school or go to school. Me have to save my partner money. Yes, them in a partner. Them show them like a cheap partner, like $50 every week. Yeah, man. And them get their little draw. Yes, you hear them. I'm a partner money this. Yeah, man. Children are into partner in Jamaica right now. So partner is a big deal in Jamaica. So thanks to the Indians who came to Jamaica as indentured servants. You understand? The East Indians specifically. They carried something else to Jamaica as well that we all love in Jamaica. I will talk more about that in another video. Yeah, man. Walk good. Stay blessed. Thanks for watching.